Hi, I am Shanice Kitchen, and today I will be doing my informative speech. Here are my cards and my audience members. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you guys. All right. Have you ever felt like happiness doesn't last, even when life is going well? We are told to be positive, chase our dreams, but real happiness still feels hard to reach. I used to think happiness meant smiling all the time or achieving something big. But then I started wondering, why didn't it last? Maybe you felt that too. So I wanted to know the science, what it says about happiness, what really works. Today, I will share 3 powerful and proven secrets to real happiness. 1, set goals that matter to you. 2, embrace emotions that match your values. 3, find purpose, not just pleasure. We often chase money or fame, but find out it doesn't always make us happy. In 2020, Martinez and her team studied college students. They found that students who set personal goals like learning, connecting with others, helping people, they felt happier. And this is called intrinsic goals. They come from within inside, not from pressure or outside approvals. Think about it. Have you ever worked hard for something like a promotion or big purchase and then afterwards just felt empty? First secret, choose goals that reflect who you are, not what others expect. Now let's talk about emotions. Happiness is not about feeling good all the time. In 2017, psychologist Maya Tamar and her team published a journal of experimental psychology. And they found something surprising. They discovered that people who feel emotions that match their values, even anger and sadness, are often happy. And this is called emotional alignment, meaning your emotions fit the situation. For example, imagine being at a funeral. You're going to be sad. Pretending to be cheerful, it just wouldn't feel right. Tamar's research says this emotional honesty helps us to feel at peace. So don't force fake positivity. Let yourself feel what's real. That's the second secret. Now for the last secret, the one that balances everything together. Combine joy with something meaningful. Happiness isn't just about pleasure. It's also about meaning. In 2020, Crosco and her team found people who experience both joy and purpose feel the happiest. And this is called eudaimonic happiness, where you enjoy life and feel like you matter. Another study by De Souza in 2020 showed that doing things with purpose, like helping others, also boosts brain chemicals such as dopamine, serotonin, and these chemicals help you feel better. Purpose isn't just emotional, it's also physical. That's a biological reward for meaningful action. The third secret: live a life that feels good and does good. So to sum it up, 1, set goals that matter to you. 2, feel the emotions that are true to your values. 3, balance joy with meaning, purpose. So the next time you ask, how can I be happy? Ask this instead: what matters to me? What feels right? That's where the real secret lives. Thank you for listening. I would like to open up the floor for any questions.
Okay. My question is, can negative emotions really make us happy?
Yes, because it fits the situation. So it opens you up to be real with yourself, to just be honest, feel that, embrace it, and then we move on. Any other questions?
What's the difference between pleasure and purpose when it comes to happiness?
Pleasure and purpose. Pleasure is short term, purpose long term. Pleasure is like a brand new car that you get that reward, that feeling, and then it doesn't last. Purpose is helping someone, helping you understand the impact you make in others and how you can help them grow.
I have a question. What if I don't know what my purpose is?
That's fine. That's okay. Because as you go through life and you find situations as you're helping someone, that might help you find your purpose, your impact. It might help you explore it. So don't rush to find purpose. It'll come in helping others. Thank you.